Hey, it's Gareth and Janet from Port Monkeys, and we're here in San Diego Harbor with the Midway Aircraft Carrier. Notice all the helicopters up there and planes. So that's a World War II aircraft carrier that's now a museum. And of course, these guys. I believe that's a sailor kissing a nurse when the war ended. Let's go through. Don't look up there. Let's walk along the Midway here. I like these trees. It'll take 100 years to grow, right? Although this hasn't been here 100 years. 50 maybe. I came here about 20 years ago. Went through it with the Boy Scouts. Maybe it was Cub Scouts. Anyway, I wasn't one 20 years ago. I was one 50 years ago or so. But we're here on the Diamond Princess, which is on the other side of the Midway. And we made a stop in San Diego. So, from the Midway in San Diego Harbor, I guess it's called San Diego Harbor.
This is Janet.
And this is Gareth.
From Port Monkeys. We will see you in the next port.
Bye.